Hi guys, Chris Wenstrom here again at MarineMax Coco on board this brand new 170 Montauk. We're going to show you a couple things which make this an inshore fisherman's dream boat to be able to kind of have both the fishability and the comfort that a 17-foot boat provides in this class. So come on over here, we're going to show you a couple things as we kind of work our way from bow to stern. You can see that what we did do is fit this for the plug for the trolling motor here that you can mount on either side of the bow depending on how you want it configured. Nice big cushions here for your bow seating, which are completely removable for those fishing days. We wanted to use this as a nice big fish box and your anchor storage. So you can see your anchor locker up here, all finished fiberglass as well, and then a giant fish box up front for the day's catch. Those are all plumbed and will drain overboard. And these come right back in place. You've got a nice big comfortable sun pad up front here, which is nice. And moving on, you can see we do have the adaptive cooler here as a seat, 4 rod holders here mounted to the console, cup holders on both sides, and a nice thing that Boston Whaler did with the fishermen in mind is they actually integrated a nice tackle storage feature here on the side of the console, as well as a place to mount your fire extinguisher. JL audio speakers all the way around, and here at the helm you can see we did do a Fusion Bluetooth stereo. And what's nice in this 17 is we actually kind of recessed the top of the console here, take that to kind of keep some of your items from kind of sliding all over the place, which is nice. It kind of keeps it contained under the windshield, and then you do have your USB and 12-volt plugs here as well. And we did kind of leave this blank so you can kind of customize this boat as you want with whatever GPS fish finder combination that you want. We could do that here as an inserted piece, or we could kind of figure it up and mount it up top if you would like that as well. Okay. Nice thing too is this actual backrest here does have 4 positions that it can kind of lock into. So instead of it being able to just slide all the way forward, all the way back, you can see that if you kind of lift, we could have it rest in the full forward position. We could have it one back, which is nice to be used as kind of a leaning post. We want to kind of stand and drive the boat. Or all the way back, we wanted to use it as a full seat. Access to your bilge right here. And then these seats on the back here are removable. We did kind of leave these in just for showing. And then the backrests are removable as well. And also very nice that it does have 4 additional rod holders here off of the back of the boat for when we kind of want to put a couple extra rods on as well. This is the 90 horsepower command thrust Mercury outboard. And then you see we do have a nice swim platform with a telescoping ladder off of the port side of the boat here as well. Nice bimini top. Alright guys, thanks again. My name is Chris Wenstrom, again here at MarineMax Coco. Come by, see the Montauk series and all the rest of the boats that we have here on the lot. 321-636-3142. Thanks again.